Okay, done students? Everybody has finished?
No, ma'am, I'm just sixth one.
Okay, okay. Okay, so you people can take the screenshot and you can complete it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mantasha. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, Bashir. Let's just wait 2 3 minutes for the others, then we'll start.
Sir, I had to ask something.
Yeah, yeah, please go on.
Sir, actually, I have a test, weekly test schedule. Uh, the
Hmm.
time is 8, and I guess the worksheet will come right now. So, I need 10-15 minutes to do that.
Uh, you have a weekly test where? For Learnivio only?
Huh?
For Learnivio only?
Learnivio itself.
Okay, you have a school test or a Learnivio weekly test?
Weekly test.
Okay, so you need a worksheet for that.
No, no, no. Actually,
Hmm.
today is the science one. So, when they will
Okay,
forward the worksheet, I need 10-15 minutes to do that worksheet.
science one in the class.
Yeah.
Okay, don't you get a
And
different time for weekly test?
huh?
Don't you get a separate time for a weekly test, Bachir?
They told to choose one hour slot, and I chose today's slot
Okay,
for 8. And
okay.
now I just remembered that I have maths also at 8.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So just give me 2 minutes. I'll talk to the team regarding it. Okay. I'll say they
Okay.
can postpone your exam. Okay, postpone your test. Okay.
Okay.
Mantasha, I did talk to the team right now. They are saying that you can attempt the test after the class. No worries in this. Okay.
Okay. So thank you so much.
Okay, welcome, Bashir. So I share the screen now.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, you are on mute.
Walaikum assalam, Harima. How are you doing, bache?
Alhamdulillah, sir, I'm fine.
Okay, so I'll now start. Just a minute. Okay, bache. So, bache, in the last class, I told you about area of a triangle. Do you remember the area of a triangle formula?
A into 2 divided by H.
No, bache, no. That's the formula for breadth. Remember the formula for area, that is half into base into height. Okay?
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that one. Okay. So now I'm gonna tell you area of a parallelogram today. Where are the examples of area of parallelogram? Yeah, okay. First of all, what is a parallelogram? Okay.
Sir, what are we supposed to do?
But I'm teaching you today area of a parallelogram. Last class I taught you area of a triangle, remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have a parallelogram. First of all, do you all know what is a parallelogram? Halima, any guesses? Mantikya, any guesses?
Sir, a parallelogram has all the four sides equal.
No, no, that is a square. Okay. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, means it is a four-sided figure. What is a parallelogram, first of all? Parallelogram is a four-sided figure. Deciding this ABCD. But see what will happen in this parallelogram? Na? This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Means opposite sides are equal and they are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. So basically, in this, na, AB is equal to CD and AB is also parallel to CD. Okay, and AD is equal to BC and AD is also parallel to BC. Got it? What is a parallelogram? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, bache, I'll also write it down the definition of parallelogram. A quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. A four-sided polygon, a four-sided figure, which has opposite sides equal and parallel. Okay. So now talking about the area of a parallelogram and make a parallelogram. Yes. Good evening, Ayush. Now in this
Good
parallelogram
evening.
ABCD. Yes, Ayush, why were you not there in the last class?
Sir, what?
Why were you not there in the last class?
Sir, we were outside, like little bit emergency was.
Okay. Which we have ABCD. This is a parallelogram. Ayush, we are doing area of a parallelogram right now. Okay, we have just started it, so you can also see it.
Sir, new chapter?
But we started with perimeter and area in front of you, right? You were not there in the last class as well.
No, sir, no. Saturday, no.
Today is what is today? Today is Tuesday. Saturday you were not there. I remember you were not there Thursday as well. Yeah,
No, sir. Thursday I was there, but not Saturday.
so Thursday. Remember we were doing perimeter and area.
Yes, yes.
But yeah, so in perimeter and area we have a new figure that is parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? It is a figure in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite means in front of each other. They are equal and parallel. Okay, Ayush?
Okay, sir.
So, but we are doing area of a parallelogram. So, see, if I draw a diagonal of a parallelogram like this, AC, but I can clearly see it is making two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Now, area of triangle ABC would be, I'm going to name this as B. Okay. And I'm going to name a height H. H. Okay. And since this is a parallelogram, so this side is also B. This is very important. Opposite sides are equal. So if this is equal to B, this would also be equal to B. And I'm going to make a height here as well that is equal. That would also be equal to H. Both of them have height and base H. So now area of ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half into base. Base is B into height is H. This is the area of a triangle formula. And area of triangle ADC would be area of triangle ACD would also be half into this base. If I talk about this triangle, it would be this one. Okay, so half into base into height. That is half into base into height. Okay. Now, what's the area of full parallelogram would be sum of these both these triangles. So area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle ABC. Area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Both these triangles, that is equal to bache, area of triangle ABC was half into base into height. Triangle ACD is also half into base into height. Okay. I can now bache, this is BH by 2 plus BH by 2. So if I add them, take the LCM 2. So BH plus BH, very simple addition of fraction. That is BH plus BH, that is 2BH by 2. 2 and 2 would cancel. So bache, we'll get that is equal to base into height. That is area of a parallelogram formula. Area of a parallelogram formula is Base into height. Very simple. We have the base, we have the height. Multiply them, you will get the area of the parallelogram. Is this clear? All three of you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Halima? Halima?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Any doubts, Bache?
No, sir.
Halima, you want me to explain it again?
Sir, can you explain like how to find the area of parallelogram only? Like
This
after
black
you
part,
did,
from this black part.
yeah, from that part.
Okay. Bache, see, very simple. I'm saying this is a parallelogram. Bache, this parallelogram has two triangles. This triangle,
Yes, sir.
okay, plus this triangle. It comprises of these two triangles, right?
Um,
Okay. Now, area of this triangle is half into base into height. Half
sir,
into base into height. Yes, Arima?
sir, see, you wrote, sir, this is the parallelogram, right?
Yeah.
This. So you made this half like this. So
Hmm.
then, why did you put this angle?
But see, because I wanted to show height. Height always is perpendicular. That is
No,
why I put it.
see, sir, you made this height, no, this one
Hmm. No,
as
this is
like
not height, Arima. This is not height. Don't get confused. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Got the question. Got the question. I'll explain the question. Alima, your question is, I made a parallelogram,
yeah,
right? A, B, C, D. I made the diagonal. But see, this is a diagonal. This is not height. The reason is this is not 90 degrees to the side. If I consider this as the base, Halima, if I consider this as the base, okay, for both these triangles. Let's talk about this first triangle first of all. Let's talk about triangle ABC. Okay, what I'll do is now, instead of doing this, I'll make it by same color so that you won't get confused. Okay, triangle ABC. But in triangle ABC, how will we find the area? For right now, na, ignore this part. For now, ignore this part. This part ignore. Okay. I'm saying in triangle ABC, how will you find the area? This is the base
half into base into height.
height. Do we know the height here?
No.
No. But your height is actually this one, right? Height is always perpendicular, always 90 degrees. This is what I told in the last class. Halima, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can't say this is the height. If I say that this is equal to 10 centimeter, but your height is not 10. Height would be this one, that is 90 degrees. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So area of this triangle would be half into base into height.
Yeah.
Height is this. Now talk about this triangle. This one, triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. Animal area of this triangle would also be half into base into height.
Hmm.
These are consider this as the base. The reason I'm considering this as the base because if this is B, na, this would also be B because opposite sides are equal. So if this is let's say 8 centimeter, so ये भी 8 centimeter हो जाएगा. Got it, Halima?
Um. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
this is
see,
8. Mhm.
if you make this also like this, no. For example, if you consider this as a base, like this
Mhm.
way, if you make this and then this will be the base. But why do you have to consider this as a base? You can
Okay,
also
excellent
consider
question.
this
Excellent
also.
question. Excellent question, Halima. I consider this one as the base. The reason is we want to make the formula easier, right? If I can consider this as the base, excellent one, excellent one. Okay, this as the base. So then I would have to draw a heart like this. Still, this is not 90. Okay, I would have to make a height like this. So considering two height, I would have to name it H1 and sorry, H2 and B2, and name this as H1 and B1. A lot of different work. Okay, then we would have to find it by a longer way. What we did was, instead of doing this, I considered that one as the base, because now I have the same base, right? I have the same base and I have the same height, because this height would also be equal to H. So this is H, this is also H. So now it is clear why did I consider this. Halima, is this clear why did I consider this one as the base and not this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll also clear one more of your doubts. You'll say, sir, why can't this be the height? Can this, you'll say, sir,
Yeah.
can this ever be 90 degrees? Okay, I'll tell you. I'll give you a situation in this in which this is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, na bache, then it will actually make a rectangle. What is a rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram with all angles as 90 degrees. ABCD. Now this is a rectangle. 90, 90, 90, 90. A rectangle also I can do it by this way. I can make a diagonal. Now area of this rectangle would be half into base into height. Area of this part would be half
Yes.
into base into height. I'll show you the magic. Half into base. Let this be B. And but here height we take as this, because this is 90 degrees, right, Halima?
Hmm.
So half into base into height, that is L. Height here is L, plus area of this triangle, that is half into base into height. Consider the same base B. Height is this H, that is L. So half
Yes.
into B into L. But here half plus half is 1. So basically this is coming L into B. This is the formula of a rectangle. Got it? So eventually if this is 90 degrees, this actually makes a rectangle and the formula of a rectangle. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now exactly here we did. This was half into base into height. This one half into base into height. This one I added them. I got base into height as the area of a parallelogram. This is the formula where B is base. I'll write it down. B is base. H is height. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write this down kindly.
Perimeter and area.
Done, sir.
Okay, Mantasha.
Done, sir.
Okay, are you Shaidan as well?
So go on to finish.
Okay.
Sir, in the second diagram, this one, you said
Mhm.
that it is half into base into height plus half into base into height, that is L into B, right?
And into B in case of rectangle, because in case of rectangle, the sides are perpendicular, 90 degrees. So L would become H in this case.
So, sir,
Okay.
here also you made this, no? Why is this not L into B? This is BH
Let's say because,
into.
yeah, got good question. Let's say because in this case, he- L is the side. L is the side in all cases. And in parallelogram, sides are not 90 degrees. This was the case of a rectangle. Special parallelogram, I guess, special. Right?
Okay.
It is special parallelogram that is rectangle. Rectangle is a special parallelogram in which all angles are 90 degrees. But say if it is a 90-degree, then if I make a height also, it would be equal to L only. Okay, because L is already 90 degrees. Here L is not 90. L is something different. Height has to be perpendicular. Height has to be 90 degrees. Got it? That is why here we have H, but in case of rectangle we have L. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I am done.
Yes, Salima, we are waiting for Ayush to finish, then we'll continue.
Done, sir.
Okay. We have now find the area of each of the parallelograms. Very simple question. Let's say we have this parallelogram. This is the height. Height is 4. Base is 7. So area would be base into height. That is 4 into 7. That is 28 centimeter square.
Okay.
Easiest question. Got it? Try all the other parts and let me know. And make the figures as well in the notebooks. Make the figures and let me know the answers. Halima, the correct uh, second one, like the C part, Halima decimal wrong. You should focus on the decimals in multiplication, bache. Decimal should be after 8. Next one correct. Fifth part correct. All the parts are correct except the third part, Halima. The third part you should focus on the decimal. Decimal should be after 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can you explain one? I'm not getting it.
Okay, sure. I just think Ayush. Ayush, if you look at this parallelogram, but this is the height. We have this side that is known as the base. Okay. We have this side which is known as the base. What do we call this, Ayush? The base. But base is 5. This is the
Base.
height. That is 90 degrees. So height is 3 centimeters. Okay, very simple formula. Area is equal to base into height. Like we have the rectangle formula, length into breadth. Here we have base into height. So base is 5 into height is 3. 5 into 3 is 15. So the area of this parallelogram is 15 centimeters square. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
Easy, Ayush? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the rest of the parts. Mantasha, are you doing them?
I'm done, sir.
Okay, send me the answer in the chat box.
Okay.
Yes, Halima?
Sir, for the third, for the C part, you told that it's 8.75, right?
Yeah,
After decimal, there is only one digit, right?
Halima, but there are two decimal places, right? You also have to focus on that.
Okay, okay. After decimal. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Ayush, do them and let me know the answers, okay?
Yes, I'm
You don't have to speak them out. You don't have to write them out. Just speak them to me.
Sir,
Mantasha, correct answers.
if you get the answer correct, but the decimal part is not correct, will you get half mark or like?
But if this is a one marker question, you won't get half a mark. The mostly one marker questions, teacher either give 1 mark or they don't give any mark. Okay.
Uh,
If it is an MCQ, so don't even think the teacher will give you marks. If the answer is slightly even wrong, you will not get the marks. If it is a general question, the teacher might give you. It depends on teacher to teacher, Halima. Okay.
okay.
For me personally, if I would be checking, I would give half a mark because you did the formula correct. Always write the formula. That's why. Don't jump to the right answer. Write the formula. Formula always carry marks. If it is a 2 marker question, you write the formula, you will get 1 mark. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's just wait 2 more minutes. Then we'll
So
continue to
should we do
another
the
question.
second question?
Did we do the second question yesterday or not?
Mm,
Like in the last class? Okay, we did not. Fine, fine. Do the second question, all of you.
so should we do?
Yeah, yeah. Do it. Mantasha, do it. Halima, do it. Second question. Do the second question.
Sir, I send it answers.
Aisha did not receive them, but please send them to me again. Aisha sent you a hi in the chat box. Send it to me there.
Sir, I send it.
Ayush, the last one is not correct. It should be 8.8 centimeter square. Okay. 4.4 into 2 would be 8.8.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ayush, now try the second question. I'll let you know the formula. Formula is bache half into base into height. In case of triangles, the formula is half into base into height. Okay. Half into base into height. We have the base, we have the height. Formula is half into base into height. Try the question now.
Sir, I have sent.
Halima, the answers are first one is correct, second one is correct, third one is correct, fourth one is correct. Yes, Halima, correct answers. Halima, try question number three. Here we are given the base, we are given with the area. You have to find the height. In the second part, we are given the height, the area. You have to find the base. Like that, find the missing column. Okay. Put the formula right. Put
Okay,
everything
sir.
in the formula and try finding what's missing.
Sir, can you once give the formula of parallelogram? B into H, right?
Yes, yes, be into it. Study, but you have notes, right? You did write what I make you write down today.
Yeah, yeah.
You can always look up to your notes for formulas in the class. Okay, that's not an issue. Yes, I use correct answers. I use try the third question. Correct answer, Salima. Oh, sorry, Mantasha. Mantasha, try question 3 now.
Sir, I have sent.
Yes, Salima mentioned that. 12.3. First one is correct, Halima. 1.3? Why are we like 1.3? Halima, second one is not correct. Third one is also not correct. Last one is correct, Halima. So second and third are not correct. B and C. First and D are correct. Mantasha also sent me the answers. Mantasha, the first one is correct. Second one, let me check it. Second one is also correct, Mantasha. Third one is also correct, and the last one is also correct. Mantasha, your answers are correct. Ayush, are you doing them?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. No, Halima, it's not 13. Divide 154.5 by 15, Halima. You'll get the answer. No, Halima, still not correct. Yes, Ayush, correct answers. Okay, Halima, see here, bache. First one was correct. D1 was correct. In the
Sir,
second one, if you divide
sir,
154,
is it
what, Halima?
10.3? Is it
Yes,
10.3?
yes, 10.3 is the correct answer. And for the C part, it is 48.72 by 8.4. 48.72 by 8.4. Okay, point cancel. This is 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 ones are 4 eights are. This is 210 by 4. 210. This will go by 3. 3 sevens are 0s are. 3 fours are 12. 0 6. Okay. 406 by 70. 203. This is 35.
It's so
Okay, wait.
long.
406 by 7. So that is 7 5s are 35. 5,
Sir,
7,
don't
8.
you
Yes.
multiply it to 10 to remove all of those points?
But I did multiply with 10. Na? It became 840.
What?
I did multiply it by 10, na, Lima. That is why it became 840. So 840, yeah.
So after multiplying with 10, you remove the sign also and then you add 0. Oh, that's how I get a mistake.
Got it now?
Okay, okay.
Okay, so this must be coming 5.8.
Yeah.
Okay, this will come 5.8.
Sir, then the second one, can you explain like,
Sure, sure. I remind this is 154.5 divided by 15. Okay, put a point, put a 0. Now then we can take out the points. Now this will go by 5, this will go by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 zeros are 0, 5 9s are 45. This is 5 3s are 15, 5 zeros are 0. Now these both will go by 3, so 3 10s are 30, 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. Now 103 by 10, but that is equal to 10.3. Got it? Got it, Halima? How did I do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Sir,
Shall I run this,
when we
Halima?
finish this chapter?
But we'll finish this chapter. Today is 11th. At least
Yes.
3 to 4 classes more. You have your exam in mid of December.
Yes, sir. Can we do arithmetic expression after this chapter? I'm having a little bit difficulty in that.
But we will arithmetic expressions.
Yes, sir.
Arithmetic expressions we are done. Halima, are we done with algebraic with arithmetic expressions? Okay, wait, I'll see to it.
No, sir, we are done with algebraic expression. I think arithmetic. Yes.
Okay, arithmetic expression you have to do.
Yes. Sir, I send her the like
Yeah, the syllabus. I saw it.
portion.
I saw it. Yes, I saw it. I saw it. I saw that, Ayush. I just have to. What exactly is arithmetic expressions? I'll see to it. And Ayush, do you have the exact date of your exams?
No, sir. Exact date I don't know, but I will check and confirm it.
Exact date you don't know, but you are confirmed with the syllabus.
Yes. It is ending
Okay,
of
and
December, I think. So.
okay, and we also have the a peak beyond the point, right?
Yes, sir.
A peak beyond the
That
point
we are
is
just we are just still doing that chapter in the arithmetic expressions we are done in this book and little bit difficult.
sure,
So I
sure, I
send
understand.
it
Of
this
course, I
week.
have to.
Yes.
Of course, you have to do that chapter. That's not uh, a question even that we have to do it or not.
Sir?
Yes, Halima.
Sir, I have a doubt. Like, not this chapter, but it's in from data handling. Like,
Okay,
I have a doubt how to find the probability of some given data. Like,
okay,
I don't know
probability.
how to find the probability.
Okay, Halima, remind me the next class. In the starting, I'll take 10 minutes and explain that out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, probability is basically number of parts upon total parts. Let's say, Halima, we have a coin and we toss that coin.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the probability of coming heads? That is 1/2 because total outcomes is two. Either heads can come or tails can come. Okay.
Sir,
So total,
for
yeah,
example, if you have a dice and
yeah,
you don't like, you have a probability of getting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yes,
Is it like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 like that?
yeah. So Halima, in this case, the total chances of coming are six, right? Either one can come, two can come, three can come, four can come, five can come. So the result can be out of the six numbers. So in the denominator, we'll have six. Let's say what they ask, what is the probability of two coming? How many twos are there in a dice? Only one. So the probability of a two is 1/6. Got it? मतलब छह में से एक chances में आएगा. Probability is nothing
Okay.
but total में से कितनी chances में आएगा. I'll explain this in a detail in the next class. Okay, Alima?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ayush, your syllabus, I'll see to it and I'll make a timeline of your syllabus. By the next class, I'll be explaining that to you. Okay, Ayush?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess we are done for today. We can continue this in the next. Are we done with the exercise? Let me check it. No, no, still many questions are left of this exercise. After this, we have the circles. Circles is important. It is a new topic as well. So, I'll see before circle if we can do your part, Ayush. We'll complete your part, then we'll start with circles. Okay. So, okay, then I'll see
Okay.
you in the next class. Okay, Ayush. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Alima. Okay, Mandashka.
Okay,
I
sir.
will see you
Bye,
all in the
sir.
next class.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bacha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Alima.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, Ayush. Welcome.
Thank you for teaching, sir.
Welcome, Alima. Mantasha, any doubts, bache?
Sir, that weekly test one, is it scheduled for today itself?
Yeah, you can attempt the weekly test after this class, okay?
Okay.
So,
Thank you
do you
so
have
much.
an, Mantasha, do you have another meeting link, or you did they send this meeting link for the weekly test?
What, sir?
Like weekly test, are you supposed to attempt it in an online meeting?
Like we have to join a class. There will be like some students, and they will forward us like the worksheet, and then we have to do, and like we have to send it in a PDF form, and then we have to leave the meeting.
Okay, so okay, then you can join that meeting. Okay,
Okay.
if
Thank you so much.
if there's any issue now, just text the team regarding it. Okay, they'll let you know
Okay.
what to do. Okay, okay, Mantasha, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, bye, bache.
Hello, good evening.
I just let's wait for Kamran as well, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, no problem.